Dear members of the combustion engine automotive industry, I hope this message reaches each of you with enthusiasm and a shared commitment to the future of our industry. And I am proud to announce the launch of the Hydrogen Hot Rod magazine and industry push. Our mission is simple yet vital. To rally together as automotive enthusiasts, mechanics, and manufacturers to ensure the longevity and competitiveness of combustion engines in the face of the growing electric vehicle trend. As individuals who have dedicated our careers to building and improving high-performance engines and show cars, we understand the significance of adapting to changing times. The push for electric vehicle adoption poses a clear threat to the traditional combustion engine industry, which can lead to potential job losses and a decline in the demand for our services and products. However, we firmly believe that with proactive measures and a united effort, we can not only safeguard our industry but also thrive in a world dominated by electric vehicles. The Hydrogen Hot Rod magazine serves as a platform to showcase the benefits and advancements of hydrogen-powered combustion engines. It is an opportunity for all automotive industry members to reposition themselves and align their products and services with the evolving market demands. By actively participating in this movement, we can stay relevant, competitive, and well prepared to meet the challenges posed by the electric vehicle sector. Moreover, one of the most exciting aspects of this industry push is the engagement of younger generations in the world of hydrogen hot rodding. Through our efforts, we have created an environment where they can now enjoy building hydrogen-powered hot rods at home, attending hot rod events and clubs, and experiencing the same fun, good times, and joy that we all had in our earlier years. This new sector not only ensures the preservation of our traditions and values but also opens doors for young enthusiasts to embrace the world of automotive engineering, design, and customization. We invite each and every one of you to consider supporting the Hydrogen Hot Rod magazine and industry push. By doing so, you will gain valuable exposure for your products and services, connect with a passionate audience, and contribute to the overall growth and success of the combustion engine industry. Together, we can emphasize the advantages of green-fueled engines, promote technological advancements, and ensure our place in the automotive landscape for years to come. We understand the urgency of this matter and encourage you to act swiftly. Rather than waiting passively for an inevitable outcome, let us embrace this opportunity to shape our own future. Our collective efforts will not only help us remain competitive but also prove that combustion engines can coexist and even surpass electric vehicles in terms of performance, versatility, and environmental sustainability. If you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are excited to engage with all automotive industry stakeholders and work together towards a bright and prosperous future. Thank you for your consideration and support. Best regards. Daniel Donatelli, founder of Secure Supplies Group and the Hydrogen Hot Rod magazine. Please feel welcome to visit our website at or our magazine website at. To access our phone app and read our magazine on your phone or PC digitally today,